My name's Geraint. I've just come into town now to pay a check into the bank very quickly, and so I come in on my motorbike. Oh, check her out, isn't she gorgeous? Now, I've discovered a set of Lego in my pocket, kindly left for me by my daughter probably. Just set the phone up here, 1 second. And so what it's done is reminded me, sorry about the camera angle, it's reminding me of how SSiW works, SaySomethingin Welsh works. So I've got 5 blocks here, so what I'm going to try and do is demonstrate how SaySomethingin Welsh works. I'm just going to break them apart. And I always think of SaySomethingin Welsh as a set of Lego. And what you're doing, you're learning one word at a time and you're adding it to whatever you make, whether it's a house or a Millennium Falcon or whatever. So let's start with this. Dwi, I. Second block, click it to it. Isio, want, I want, dwi isio. Third block, let's say siarad, to speak. So I want to speak, dwi isio siarad. As easy as that, I just click 3 together. So let's go for Welsh. Perfect, the red one. So I want to speak Welsh, dwi isio siarad Cymraeg. And that's it, I've just learned a sentence. It's as easy as that, click, 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 one sentence. I want to speak Welsh, dwi isio siarad Cymraeg. So what if I want to swap this, say the orange one out? If I don't want to speak Welsh, I need to speak Welsh. I'll replace it with this blue one. Dwi angen siarad Cymraeg. It's easy, I've just swapped one out for another. Easy. Dwi angen siarad Cymraeg. I need to speak Welsh. So what if I've learnt Welsh now and I want to speak a different language? So let's say Spain, orange, Spain, absolutely perfect. So let's say dwi isio, sorry, angen, dwi angen siarad Sbaeneg. I need to speak Spanish. And it's as easy as that. That's how the SaySomethingin Welsh structure works in my head. And you can build these as long as you want, sentences, and before you know it, you'll be speaking to complete strangers in your second language, convincing them that it's actually your first language. So that, to me, is how SaySomethingin Welsh works. It's easy, and there's loads of support on the forum network with video chats and all sorts of things. It's a massive organisation, structure-wise. And it'll teach you how to speak Welsh for not much money, so don't be shy. Sign up today. Thank you.